Welcome to another video session by HLB HAMT on robotic process automation for invoice processing. My name is Vikram. As we speak, 40% of the businesses are implementing robotic process automation across their finance functions. The reason? 50% of the accounts payable analysts say manually processing invoices is inefficient and followed by non-value adds like rework and quality check. So now let us talk about the 5 simple steps in invoice process automation. The entire invoice processing automation can be summarized in 5 major steps. 1. Extracting invoices. The bot will extract the copies of invoices from email, workflow or from a dedicated folder, etc. Step 2. Reading invoices. Once the invoices are extracted, the bot will read the specific fields in the invoices that needs to be updated in the ERP. Step 3. Verification of invoices. Bot will verify the invoice details like company code, supplier number, VAT, etc. After the verification is done, the vendor master, and if the verification passes, it moves to the next step. Step 4. Inputting invoice details in ERP. Bot will key in all the fields that need to be filled. It can be SAP, Oracle, Tally or any ERP. Step 5. Confirmation. The confirmation can be over email for each invoice or a consolidated email for all the postings. If a report is required with all the posting details, it can be extracted in Excel. The entire invoice processing can be automated using robotic process automation. In the above case, after step 3, if the verification fails, bot can be configured to skip that invoice and move to the next, or inform the responsible person immediately to check what action need to be taken next, or even send back the invoice to the vendor. All configurations are highly customizable, however the organization wants. High recognition accuracy. The invoices delivers highly reliable smart OCR technology tailored to specific of scanned paper invoice form. It greatly speeds up your invoice processing and minimizes error in accounts payable data. User-friendly interface. Human involvement in the invoice recognition process is minimal as the software learns to recognize your invoices. Automatic detection of invoice fields. Invoices automatically detects all invoice fields containing data including company name, invoice number, date, item description, quantity, tax amount, etc. Saves templates of recognized invoice types. Once invoices has successfully recognized and processed an invoice, it saves a template of that layout for future use. This means that all invoices that have the same layout will be automatically recognized and processed, and all you have to do is verify the data. Direct scanner connection. With invoices, you can recognize and process documents that are already stored as digital files or directly import invoices from your scanner. Extensive PDF support. Invoices supports PDF as both an input and output format. The application recognizes and converts both vector and scanned PDF invoices. You can export your document to 2 different types of PDF: single layer, text only, and double layer, text and image. Accounting or ERP system integration. With invoices, you can transfer the data directly to your document management, accounting or ERP system. Alternatively, you can export your invoices to different output format including PDF, CSV, IIF and more. Is your firm ready to implement the RPA in your organization? If yes, contact us. We are happy to assist you. Thank you.